What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Isa, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome. Today, I'm going to buy my first ever Apple product, which is Apple iPad Pro, a 12.9-inch with M1 chip. I'm really excited, guys. Let's do it. Well, guys, so we have a little problem here. I didn't know you need to have an appointment before going to Apple Store, but I have talked to one of their employees and they might get me in, but I'm not too sure. I'm gonna walk around that's the Apple Store. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna walk around the mall and see if there is another store to get into, and then yeah, hopefully I get it. Let's go. Yeah. So I have unboxed my iPad, and let me know in the comment section how it is looking. I am absolutely excited right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna set up my iPad and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. There's a huge announcement, so make sure you're tuned up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, and you're gonna love that announcement. Take care. Bye.